Hello everyone, today we're exposing Alisanda Seaweed Erection Spray, flooding social media with claims of erections in 43 seconds and 500% blood flow increase. With a fake doctor, impossible claims, and real victims reporting it's just scented oil, is this a medical scam? Let's expose the truth. First, what Alisanda claims. The marketing is aggressive. Rock hard erections in 43 seconds, more effective than Viagra, created by Dr. Rachel Harper using TRT technology, increases blood flow by 500%, lasts up to 4 hours, and has zero side effects. The ads target men's insecurities with emotional language about getting your manhood back and promises of partners begging for more. Here's the first major lie. Dr. Rachel Harper doesn't exist. Independent investigators checked official UK medical registries and found no record of any Dr. Rachel Harper as a sexologist or researcher. The University of Manchester graduate claim also fabricated. The photos of this supposed doctor are either stock images or AI generated. This is a complete fictional person created to add false medical credibility. Medical experts confirm a 43-second erection from seaweed oil. No doctor on earth would validate that. The claims of 500% blood flow increase has zero clinical evidence. There's no published research, no peer-reviewed studies, and no FDA approval. The patented TRTT technology boosting absorption by 200 times, pure marketing fiction with no scientific backing. Real victims who tested it report for what is essentially scented rice bran oil. The price tag is outrageous. The spray had no noticeable effect on performance. It smelled pleasant but did absolutely nothing for erectile function. Multiple reviewers confirmed that many people had the same complaints: no effect, expensive oil, impossible to get refunds. The scam network. Alisanda is sold through multiple websites with different company names including Alisanda Limited, Adherident Limited, Alisanda Store, Alisanda Spray, and Alisanda Shop. The multi-site strategy is classic scam behavior. When one site gets exposed and shut down, they simply launch another identical storefront. The refund nightmare. Victims report emails go unanswered, 30-day return policies are ignored, customer service is non-existent, and when you try to get refunds, you're ghosted or given endless excuses. One reviewer concluded, after testing it ourselves and investigating the company, I can confidently say Alisanda Seaweed Spray feels like a medical scam wrapped in high-budget marketing. Beyond wasted money, this is medically irresponsible. Men with genuine erectile dysfunction need proper medical evaluation. ED can be a symptom of serious conditions like heart disease or diabetes. Delaying real treatment for fake spray could have serious health consequences. The final verdict: Alisanda Seaweed Spray is an absolute scam. Do not buy this under any circumstances. If you have erectile dysfunction, see a real doctor for legitimate FDA-approved treatments like sildenafil, Viagra, tadalafil, Cialis, or proper medical evaluation. Your sexual health deserves real medicine, not fake seaweed spray from fictitious doctors. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.